most eco-friendly cars from the Flintstones. They're prehistoric. Prehistoric. And we can't talk about picture cars without talking about the Fast and the Furious, one of our billion-dollar franchises. Another billion-dollar franchise, Jurassic World, we have the gyrosphere here. But there's something missing from the outside of the gyrosphere, right? The glass. Guess what? It was never there. They actually put it into post-production with all the other visual effects for a couple different reasons.